Hello everyone, welcome to this bundle dyeing tutorial without the use of any kind of mordants. In this tutorial, I will share a simple yet magical way to infuse natural color into fabric using plants and nature's own gifts. Bundle dyeing is all about letting go of control and embracing the surprises that each bundle brings. So whether you are new to eco printing or looking for a fresh approach, this process will invite you to connect with nature and creativity in a whole new way. So let's dive into the beautiful world of plant-based colors. I'm using freshly harvested flowers from my dye garden, such as Coreopsis, Cosmos, Scabiosa, and also amaranth flowers. For the fabric, I have got some previously bundle dyed silk and cotton fabric that's been mordanted with soy milk. It's a great way to give previously dyed fabric a fresh new look. So by adding another layer of color and texture, you can completely transform and revitalize older pieces. To begin, I lay the fabric flat on a surface and then lightly misting it with water from a spray bottle to make it slightly moist. When arranging the flowers, I don't follow any specific pattern. It's a chance to get really creative at this stage. You can place the flowers however you like, experimenting with different combinations and arrangements. The beauty of eco printing or bundle dyeing is that there is no strict formula. You let your creativity guide you and see how nature's surprises unfold. Because I want to do a mirror effect, that is, I want the same print of the flowers that I'm laying down over on the fabric to be also on the other side. So I'm just going to put these flowers only on one side of the fabric, that is in this case on the left hand side, and then I will just fold over the fabric on top of these flowers. Once you're happy with the flowers that you have laid on the surface of the fabric, you need to very tightly roll the fabric. Here you can use a wooden dowel also to roll over the fabric, or a metal pipe. Because this is cotton fabric, it's really easy to fold the fabric and make a very tight bundle. So bundling is very important. You have to make it as tight as possible so that the plant material is in direct contact, or it stays in place and it stays in really close contact with the fabric. And I repeat the process again with this time using a silk fabric. Silk fabric is really very thin, so it's not really easy to work with, but try your best to make the bundle very tightly when you're using silk fibers. Here I'm using dried flowers, which are easier to lay down flat on the surface. So you can use dried flowers or fresh flowers, whatever you have. I have these flowers dried from last year from a dye garden, and because these are dye plants, the colors don't really fade. They remain really vibrant. So here, as you can see, I have put some flowers with the face down and some with the face up, because I was just experimenting to see what the effects would be like. And as I mentioned before, there is no hard and fast rule. You can arrange your flowers as you like. And then again, you're going to bundle this, and using a string or rubber bands, make sure that the bundles are very, very firmly held before they go into the process of steaming or boiling. After 20 minutes, you can see that the bundle is still hot. So I think I'm just gonna let I'll let it sit here for some time till it is ready to be unbundled. And the longer it stays, the better it is. I hope you have enjoyed the process of bundle dyeing, and if you're eager to explore more about this transformative process, I invite you to dive deeper with my recently published ebook. It's a comprehensive guide that covers everything from selecting plants and fabrics to perfecting your technique all without the use of any kind of mordants. Whether you are just starting out or looking to refine your craft, the ebook provides insights, tips, and inspirations to help you on your journey. I have provided the link to my website in the description box below. You can download the book directly from my website and continue your bundle dyeing adventure at your own pace.